was bad, but I can't believe it's not your hair. That shit was, yes, I put your hair back and forth.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. I am so glad to be back on YouTube making content for you all, because as you can see, your girl has been gone. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you some clip-ins that I got from CurlsCurls. Absolutely in love with these clip-ins. They went ahead and sent me some clip-ins. I have an 18-inch of the Kinky curly clip-ins. I only use one pack. That is what's blowing me away about this install, is that I only use one pack. As you can see, this is what it looks like straight out of the pack, and they actually gave you some extra clips just in case something were to happen to yours. So I went ahead and I just sectioned my hair off around the perimeter. So I have some on the left side, some on the right side, some of my hair left out on the right side, as well as in the back. And I just went ahead and washed and conditioned my hair, and then I went ahead with the products that you just saw listed on the screen. And I went ahead and twisted the middle section of my hair down and pinned it. Now, I definitely think you should prep your hair before starting this style, because it makes the install go by so much smoothly. I usually, when I get my clip-ins, I usually wash them. But taking these clip-ins out of the pack, they were, you know, to me, they didn't really need any washing. So I just went ahead and I just sprayed some water on it with my spray bottle and pretty much just used my hands to rake through the hair. And y'all, I'm going to just stop talking and I'm going to just show y'all how bomb these clip-ins actually are. So you want to just make sure when you're putting them inside of your hair, you want to make sure, of course, that the clip is actually open, and then you're kind of just tucking them into your hair to your liking. I mean, everyone is different. You want to make sure that you're tucking that pin inside of your hair, and then you're clipping, and then you're closing it shut, because it does open and close. And as you can see, sometimes I'm going to move them around and fix them a little bit. You kind of just want to do it to your head side. There's really no way that I can describe how to put them in besides just making sure that they're open, tucking them in, and making sure they're undetectable. Tucking them in, closing them, and making sure they're undetectable. And if you have to take some out and rearrange them, you can do just that. This is the beauty of doing your own hair and doing a style that you can literally complete in less than 30 minutes and be good and on your way. I am feeling these clip-ins. As you can see, I can't even believe that I achieved this look with just one pack. CurlsCurls, y'all did it with just this one pack, 18-inch of the Kinky curly textured clip-ins, 3C/4A hair type. As you can see, it's bomb. Like, I'm just gonna give y'all this little quick spiel because I know I'm probably gonna add music and other things to this video, but y'all, this is, look how flawlessly it blended with my natural hair. And I actually like the clip-ins like this without being previously washed and styled. I actually like them like this. Give and take, I do have some flyaways with my natural hair. As you can see, it's kind of like puffing up. but you probably can't even really see it. I mean, you can see it right here, but it just looks so natural because it blends in. A scarf would definitely tie that down, and so it can make everything look uniform together. But as you can see, no product, just a straight water and running my hands and my dimming brush through this hair. It's thebomb.com. It doesn't have any smell to it, so these clip-ins can definitely go in your head without washing them at all. Love it. I'm going to show y'all a couple other styles that you can do too, because as you can see, the perimeter of my hair is out just in case I want to put this up into a ponytail. I want to get a little versatile. I can slick it back this way and you won't be able to see this tracks, as you can see. Mama. This is my homegirl new t-shirt line, Black Women Produced, because we are Black women, we are fierce, we are strong, we are out here killing the game. Black Women Produced, as you can see, content creators, we're producing writers, we're producing entrepreneurs, we're producing producers, we're producing TV hosts, we're producing lawyers, we're producing attorneys, we're producing all of these things. So make sure y'all check my homegirl t-shirt line out. I'm gonna link it down in the description box below. This is not gonna be the last time you see this. She has so many different shirts, from lawyers to pharmacists to doctors. Any of those line up to your profession and your career and the things that you are passionate about, or even if it doesn't, just definitely hit her up and she will design a shirt specifically for you.